Beyond running TikTok ad for as low as 200 naira with proven results. Yes, you had me right. I have also invested in paid trainings on TikTok ad, so I know what the pros know, and I can also tell you that I know some things that some pros don't know. So in this training, I'm going to be sharing every secret with you from A to Z. One interesting thing about TikTok ad today is that anyone can run it even with zero followers. I mean zero followers. Anyone can grow their TikTok page today with just a few amounts of naira. Following the tips I'll be sharing with you in this training. So you don't need to go to Growhost and spend time gifting only to get followers that will follow you the next minute. Now let me show you some proofs how I was able to run TikTok ad for as low as 200 naira. In fact, in one of the ads, I was able to get 100 clicks to the product I was promoting with less than 1,000 naira. This is going to be the most detailed and comprehensive tutorial on TikTok ad you'll find on the internet today. Here are the topics covered in this training. Number one, ad setting within the TikTok app to quickly pass review and deliver your best results. 2. How to target a specific location with your ad, where I'll be sharing with you TikTok best practices for both app and ad manager. Number 3. How to select the most appropriate interest for your target audience beyond the list that TikTok gives you within their app. Number 4. How to hide your ad from your TikTok followers if it conflicts with your personal brand. 5. How to run TikTok ads for others or for your other TikTok account using one TikTok account, okay? Number 6, most affordable and reliable way to pay for your TikTok ads. I mean, how to buy coins to pay for your TikTok ad, okay? Number 7, how to set up a TikTok ad manager account from Nigeria or anywhere else around the world. And number 8, how to create a TikTok ad inside the ad manager with key selections for better results. Before I show you proof of how I got 100 unique visits to my product page, here are 2 ways you are going to be getting all my detailed videos on how to run TikTok ad. Number 1, just click on the subscription button and you will be right there. Number 2, in case you don't want the subscription option, click on the WhatsApp link on my profile page. Get to message me on WhatsApp and I will tell you how to get the complete training. Now let's get to see how I was able to get 100 unique visits to my product page. Now look at this. I go to my TikTok studio. Let me get to promote. And then to my dashboard. Then I want to show you an ad that I've run. Look at this. Now check this ad completed with 2,000 naira. Got 567 clicks. Now if you check down, you see the analysis of this ad. Got me 20 followers, profile view 66, likes 776. This is both for male and female. Okay, so that's it. Let me show you another one. This one. Now this one is with 759 naira, 29 kobo. I got 100 clicks. If you go further in the analysis, you see total view 1,693, average time view 3 minutes 49 seconds. Then followers 16 followers, profile view 61, likes 291, share 1. Now if you come down here, I targeted only females. Okay, you can see the proofs here that it works. Okay, now this particular ad here is closed. I stopped it. It didn't complete the circle because I found an error in the ad. Now let me show you another one that completed. Let's go to this one. Can you notice this one completed the circle? Okay, the duration for the ad. Now let me show you the one that is active. I'm running one currently. So this one is active. Can you see it now? This is active and already is 1.9 hours. That's not up to 2 hours yet. I've spent 139 naira 61 kobo and I've had about 16 downloads. Now if you go further, the video has gotten 435 views. Average time seen 7.51 seconds. Okay, 7 minutes 51 seconds. This is a video of about 10 minutes. Okay, now if you check further, 5 followers I have gotten. Now that's with less than 115 naira. Okay, in today's Nigerian currency. Okay, so that's the detail. This is the current ad that I started this morning. Like you see, the hours are not up to 2 hours yet, and it has gotten this far with the performance. Okay, so like I told you, this is going to be the most detailed training you'll find on running TikTok ad. So in this training, I'll be sharing with you how to promote your page or your product on TikTok. Secondly, I'll be showing you how to promote for others using your TikTok account. In other words, people can pay you to run TikTok ads for them. that is a business you can be starting, and this is the best time to begin it. Thirdly, I'll be showing you the best way to pay for TikTok ads so that you don't spend so much money while running TikTok ad, whether it is for you or for others. Okay, I'll also be showing you how to do advanced TikTok ad, and finally I'll be showing you important checks to do before letting your TikTok ad go live. So 4 major things, and in between them are many other things. Number one, again, I'll show you how to run TikTok ad to promote your page or your product. I'll be showing you how to set that ad so that if you don't want that ad to be visible to your current followers on TikTok, you can make it so. Okay, for instance, your TikTok account is focusing on gospel music, and now you're an affiliate marketer and you want to market something about business that can conflict with the purpose of that account. I'm going to be showing you how to set up that TikTok ad for your affiliate marketing to run without interrupting with that page that you have dedicated to music. Okay, so that's part of this training. If you want to get the full training now, click this link on my bio and you'll be right there. And if you want me to run TikTok ad or TikTok promo for you, for your page, for your product, drop the word promo on the comment section and I will get in touch with you. Most of all, make sure you follow this page so that you get more tips.